And wala ang bola, makukuha na number 08, pass to number 15, to number 20. And that is an easy 2 points. Para ang bola makukuha ni number 15, pass to number 10. Ang bola number 10, skinny move with 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 15, umatake, pinasa kay number 32, tinira, good shot para kay number 35, off flex. Number 18. Out number 18 ang bola. Pass to number 13, 20. Number 20 with an undershot and basket is count para kay number shot. Good shot para kay number Little Tokyo. Number 08. Number 08. Out ng bola number 08 with 15 seconds to shoot. Tinira, good shot para nakuha ni number 23 ang bola. Number 23, sundalan ng Bandaran. Pumila, good shot para kay number 24, Husayan. Back to number 32. Number 32, Pumila, good shot para kay number 23. Number 23. Umaatake pero wala bola na. Kuha ni number 9. Hit na kunakuha para ni number 23. And basket is down para kay number 2. Number 23. Pass to number 1. Alan Salon. With a big shot. Binasa kay number 24. Tinira. Nawawala ang bola. Makukuha ni number 20. Tinira. Good shot para kay number 20. Number 20. Makuha ni number 2. Number 2 with a jump shot. Nakuha ni number 24. Bumarakot. Kumain. Good shot para kay number 2. Nakuha ni number 20 ang to. Bola. The number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 20. And number 20. Umatake. Tumira. Good shot para 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Number 6. Imabova number 16. Pass to number 32. Tinira. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Number 10, umaatake, tumira, good shot para kay number 10. 38-27 in favor of Team Little Tokyo. Number 08 with a 3-point, and that is a 3. Number 15. Number 15 now para ng bola ni number 15, pass to number 13 with 15 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay number 15 with a 3-point shot, and that is a 3-point. Nakuha ni number 2, pass to number 23.